to show you how to install the Omnitrix built-in Omnitrix application, mobile application in your Galaxy Watch 4. Okay, you can see it's quite funny. You use this theme in your Galaxy Watch 4. It looks like an Omnitrix, quite an Omnitrix like that. You can also swipe to change the transformations. Then you tap the transformation, but you don't literally transform. It will show the effects now, audio effects and everything. Let's get into it now. We are going to see how to install the Omnitrix inside your Galaxy Watch 4. First, before that, you get paired, then open your Play Store. Go to the Play Store, then search for Omnitrix. OMNITRIX Omnitrix Simulator. We just tap Omnitrix. You can see the DNA altering. There's an application called DNA altering as a application name. So you see, you need to purchase the application in order to use it in your Galaxy Watch 4. Okay, $7.48. So I'm not going to show you how I purchased it. I just show you the billing option. Just you tap on it, the reliable payment option, then you pay through the Google Pay. So once done, so you are able to install. So you just make sure your Galaxy Watch 4 or 5 is paired with your Samsung device. Okay, then you go there and the Play Store. You can see the available on the devices. You just tap it, then you see the Samsung paired watch. Then you tap and install. When you tap install, it says installing soon. So this is the one way to install your Samsung Galaxy Watch. So we go to the Galaxy Watch that paired with this mobile application. So we go inside. Okay, I just put a pattern, then I go in. So you see there's no application. So another way, I show you another way of installation of this application. So you go to the Play Store. Before you go to the Play Store, you just make sure there's a Wi-Fi connection is enabled. Then you go to the Play Store in your watch. Then you go search. Tap the search button. Then you use the keyboard in your watch. Then you type DNA altering space altering ALT. Just type a few letters only now. Then you press enter. Then you can see the application over there. Then you tap the application. You tap the application. You should see already there's a refund installed because you already purchased it. If I purchased it, you see the option. I just want to check refund option. If refund, you want a refund, you just tap the refund. Otherwise, just go and install the application, guys. You can see all the reviews and everything below. The same, it works same as your mobile Android mobile application inside the Galaxy Watch also, but some aspects are different based on the ratio. When you tap install, show the 20 MB download pending. So it shows the download pending. Okay, you tap on it. Wait for a second. It will be based on your speed of the Wi-Fi connection. Get download and you watch. Okay, once it download, it looks pretty fun, this when you use the skin, it's actually not a skin. It's a mobile application that plays overlay on all the application. So it also shows time. Just install. Once you install the application, then what you do? Go to the apps. Then you see the logs. You see the Omnitrix button. When you tap on it, you can see the Omnitrix is loading. The application is loading. Once loaded, there's some instructions. You go through it. Then you tap OK, close. Then you go and you can see the wonderful theme over there. So it looks like Omnitrix, a real Omnitrix. Then you tap over your corner edge of the watch, move and change all the Omnitrix avatars. Then you go on. When you tap, the transformation is beginning. Transformation done. You see the gray color as in the cartoon, the painted cartoon. Then you see when you try to tap again, it's changed to red. You can also see the timing below 2027. You can see the timing current time also in the watch. So when you try to tap again and again, you cannot. So I press the home button. I again show you how to do inside the application. You go down in the mobile application, go down, tap the optics. If still is recharging, it's in the recharging state. So you wait for a few seconds. The one should turn green. Then you can transform again. It looks pretty fun. As a 90s kids, you should have watched the Ben 10 as a Omnitrix a few times now already. The one is available in Play Store also. So it's a wonderful thing. You can install this application. There are a few tricks inside the application too. If you read the manual carefully, there are so many things you can do. There are so many different versions also there. How you can use it, but still, you gotta pay $7.48 to buy this application. That's all for today. We see you on the next video, like this one. So, thank you. Bye.